Jai good day students. Today we are going to learn lesson 11. A walk in the woods with Robert Frost. Take your book page number 148. See this the poem is about a walk in the woods. Woods is nothing but forest. So a walk in the forest. Overcast but warm, the day dry, unusually walking the woods with the dogs as many times before. Lucy and Tig away in the rough, dark deep, hipping with the scent of deer, excited. Ruby River scrambling, biting at the bugwater, wagging from the shoulders back. Overcast is nothing but cloudy. Warm means hot. And then Lucy and Tig, they both are pets. Hipping. Hipping means sharp cry. That is a noise which is made by the dogs. Scent means smell, pleasant smell. Scrambling means moving very fast, moving very urgently. Okay, wagging means moving here and there. Okay, how was the day? The day was warm and dry. It is not a usual day. Ruby was very much excited because she has been on that path earlier also. Before itself, she had been on the path. Lucy and Tig were her pet. They both were with her and they are making very low sound. And they both were enjoying their day. And Ruby saw the fast flowing river and her pets move up and down on their way and biting the bugwater and then climbing on her shoulders, and they both were enjoying their day. And Ruby was very much excited on seeing all those things. Along the old familiar track into the clearing where the roads diverged, I stopped and stood. Which way to go? Think of another poet and roads not taken. See, there she can remember the another poem. That is the poem of the poet Road Not Taken, in which he was in a position that in which road he wants to take, because on his travel, no, a path diverged into two, because he was a single person. How he can travel on both the roads? So he wanted to decide any one. So he stopped over there, and he think that in which road he wants to take, where he stand near the roads diverged, and he thought that what he decided, no, he decided to taking a new road, which road was traveled by less people. Okay, likewise he also travel on the road earlier. When he was on the path, he observed or saw a squirrel, mill pond, badger, everything. So that way I saw a squirrel once. Sorry, yes, I have been here before. This way I came. That way I saw a squirrel once, and down that way a badger, straight on the mill pond where ducks dabble behind me. Then a stag stares my way and startle slips into the wood. See, likewise he also traveled on the road here earlier. When he was on the road, no, he observed or saw a she observed or saw a squirrel, a mill pond, a badger. Mill pond is nothing but it's stagnant water, little pond, like pond. Okay, dabble means some play with water. Okay, dabbles, ducks used to play in the mill pond. And badger is an animal. Okay, that is burrowing animal, badger. I think again of Robert Frost and look a different way. I stand a while, I turn, retrace my steps, recall, relieve. I will write this down, and then this will be the road I have taken. Retrace means go back. Okay, go back her way. Recall means remember. Relive means again in one's imagination. Okay, live through. Okay, then she again recalled the Robert Frost poem, and he wanted to travel in the different way likewise. Okay, how he traveled in a new road, no, likewise she is also decided to take a different way. She also stand for sometimes, and then she look back, and see back her steps. She just stand over there and look back again, how she travel, what path she traveled, no, she just stand over there and look back and remember her steps. What are all the things that she was that she saw when he traveled on the road before, and she also wanted to write everything what she experienced on her way, and she named her, and also she wanted to name her poem, no, the road I have taken. So on the basis of the road not taken, no, the Robert Frost poem, she also imagined everything, and she also wanted to take the new path. Okay students, this is about the poem A Walk in the Woods with Robert Frost. Okay, I hope that you all understand the topic very well. Students, watch the videos carefully and then complete your book exercise as well as classwork and send in your WhatsApp group. Jai Gurudev students, thank you. Badger, no, badger is a burrowing mammal. So these are all the things that she observed on her way. And also she can able to saw a male deer. As soon as it saw her, no, it started to run very fast into the forest. So as soon as the male deer saw the people, no, it ran very fast. Stag means male deer. As soon as it saw Ruby, it ran very fast into the woods. So these are all the things she observed on her way.